Hi everyone, welcome to WebWave Creations. In today's tutorial, we're going to build a simple login page by using HTML. This project is perfect for beginners looking to enhance their web development skills. Let's dive in. First, create a folder and name it whatever you want. Then open that folder in your favorite code editor. I was using VS Code. After you open the folder, create a new file and name it index.html. Add a title of your choice. Next, in the body section, add the center tag, which helps to center the text. After that, add a heading and a label, which will be the name of our email box. The input type should be set to email for the email box. Use the be or greater than tag to create a line break. Repeat the same steps for the password, but set the input type to password. Add a checkbox with the label Remember Me by using the input type checkbox. Finally, add a button with the label Login. I also added some CSS to make the cursor a pointer. And with that, you're done with your first simple login page using HTML. In the next video, we'll cover how to create a registration form and how to redirect the page. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.